Okay, so I'm going to review the website Pro 1122. So basically the first impression of this website is pretty good. They are showing the products in the front itself with the name and price tag, so it's pretty good in that level. So my next question is to go to the shopping cart and add an product to the shopping cart. So it's pretty easy because they have given the option down itself to add it to the cart. So I'm adding this to my cart and here it goes. It's there. So my second task is over. The third is to go to their blog and review the content of the blog. So their blog should be somewhere. Basically the blogs they have showed their latest post blog. So what's this? Okay, I can see the blog option over here. So yeah, here it comes. They have a lot of stuff going on. But review the content on the blog. The ultimate essential oils guide, the top 3 essential you should have in your home. It's pretty useful and it's the topics are related to what they are doing, what they are selling. It's about essential oil, so pretty related. The next is to try using the share button on the blog. Okay, the share button. Not, I'm going to open to see if I can share it. Okay, we can share this to many social media sites like Facebook. I'm trying to share it to Facebook. Yes, we can share it and use Facebook and other social media platforms. So that's pretty good. And try moving through multiple products option. Multiple products. So for this, I'll have to go again to the home page where I'm searching through multiple products. So they have divided their catalog into new arrivals, best-selling products. Okay. I can see many oils, but I feel a bit like it's limited. Maybe they have a limited number of choices, but maybe it's because of the product they are selling. It's essential oil, so maybe because of that. So the next is some questions based on what I feel after this test. I feel that the graphics of the website and the content is pretty good because they're showing what they are selling as well as the name of the oil. Like if they're selling it's whether it's lemon oil or orange oil or other oil. So that's pretty good. And did I find it easy? Yes, it's pretty easy, but yes, I found like the blog a bit hard, even though it's given at the end recent post. But to find the blog, I found I had to go through this option and search. But yeah, that's also not that hard. Whether blogs of any relevance? Yes, the blog was very much relevant to what they are selling. All the blogs were about what they are selling, the essential oil. And on an interface, I would rate around 8 or 9 for this. Thank you.